So I'm behind with unboxings. I have like 4 that I haven't unboxed yet. I just unboxed one, so I just decided to unbox another one. This is from Glamily. Okay, so this made me happy because it reminds me of Toy Story. I love that scene. Those noodles. Oh, these are not the noodles, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, I got excited. Toy Story. But yeah, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna throw these away. Oh, I don't have my trash. So this I want to give away from Glamily on Instagram, from a girl I found on Instagram. She does makeup as well. She chose me, another 2 or 3 other girls, I can't remember. So I don't know what it has. So let's see. It's like a mystery today. So exciting. Okay. So the first thing is this jewelry box. I don't know what it is. A necklace or earrings? Yeah, a necklace, I'm pretty sure. So, oh, it's an envelope. Oh, this will be cute for Valentine's, but it passed. It sucks. I wanted to do a lot of Valentine's Day. I even have all the things planned out for what I wanted to do, but no, I couldn't this year. Oh well, next year, or maybe I'll still do one. No, it's already late. But yeah, that's the first thing. The next thing is another box. Oh, red. I love this color. Okay. I'm gonna see. Let's see. What is this? Earrings? Oh, they're red. They look like cha-cha-cha. Like the girl, the emoji that dances. I feel like she would wear this. Very Caribbean, I feel like. Oh, it's like... Sorry, it's this plastic. Oh, I kind of want to wear it right now. Oh, it's not. Okay, I took the plastic off. Oh, they're crabs. Their face like this. I barely noticed. No wonder. I couldn't tell what shape it was. It's a freaking crab. It's a crab. Oh, that's funny. That's cute. Oh, wow. I never seen a crab. So yeah, I wear it like this? No, because you have to put it like this. Oh, it's just going to be hanging from the side. Oh, how cute. Okay, and the next thing is this. Oh, it's a stencil. It says, oh yeah, it's a makeup stencil. They had like different kinds because they had a contest like January or December, I don't know, of people using their stencil, so it's pretty cool. I wish it was cheetah, but it's fine. And then the last thing is the card they always send. I don't know. It says, congratulations on winning the Candy Cane Makeup Tutorial Content Creation Challenge. So this is, remember last time when I boxed, I said, I remember I won another challenge and they didn't send me a box or something like that. Well, they finally sent it. They just took like a month later. So I guess I haven't received the other giveaway I won from them last month or so, I think. And then recently I won another giveaway from them, winning 5,000 points. So I'm gonna order some stuff from them soon, and then I'll do another unboxing. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah. Yay. So yeah, don't miss out. Download the app. You just upload videos, you get points, and those points you can use to order stuff from there: makeup, jewelry, accessories, anything. So anything beauty related, anything women related. So if you're interested, just look at my description bar and all my other videos that I've done from this. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.